Hey, how you doing? I'm Boris Diaw, and this is my brand new Off-Highwayman. So here it is. First feature that I love about the new truck is actually the paint. It's like a Rhino lining, like super rugged, but it looks like sand. Since I live in Utah, it's gonna be good to blend in with actually the desert. And here is the space. Big step, it's meant for a big guy to be able to step in the car. And here you got a whole galley, so kitchen. Really wanted like 2 plates so I could cook. I like cooking, I enjoy cooking. Nice fridge here. And this is my bed. So custom, big size, extended compared to all the other builds, because obviously I need it. And of course, the sun. Sun right now, stars at night. So that was one of my favorite features of the whole truck. Right above my head while I'm sleeping, it's like I'm sleeping outside under the stars, and I love doing that. I love taking pictures of the sky, and then here you have the panel that controls everything basically on the truck. So mosquito nest when you get in here, because when the summertime it gets hot, you want to keep the door open. You don't want the bugs to get in. So bug screen, really important and really useful. The whole van actually have a lot of places where you can put different stuff away, which is good, because like I say, once you go off the grid for a while, you need a lot of different things, so it's good to have the space to store them. So it is airlifted, so there's a good clearance. And the whole idea of the truck is actually to be 4-wheel drive, so you can go like off-road and camp in like different areas, different places. So it's good, like big, nice tires. And then of course, nice ladder to be able to go on that roof. And then on top you have the solar panels, so it can be self-sufficient. Extra one to be able to get up there as well. And the snorkel. I like the snorkel. Not that I'm gonna go all the way underwater, but it's good for breathing. You know, in the desert, a lot of dust. And the power light. Sometimes you go to places where there is no much light in the middle of the night, and so it's good to have some good light. So. And then this is to get me out of situation if I ever get stuck somewhere.